Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And here is an update for XLM. What's going on with XLM? Let's check this now. Here is the coin market cap, and guys, especially this XLM analyze is for Adam. He asked me about to analyzing XLM, and yes, Adam, here is a video especially for you. So Stellar XLM, place number 16 on CoinMarketCap. You can see on the daily it's going up very nice, 9.35%. On the weekly it's going up also very nice, 13.68%. So this is a green chart, it's going to the upside. Everything is nice, everything is okay. Here is the daily chart for XLM. And here on the daily chart we may have a little problem, guys. It's possible, not impossible. Let's check this one here. This is the daily chart, every candle is 1 day. And guys, what is, if this is a shoulder, a head, and maybe we are building here the shoulder. What if this is a shoulder, head, shoulder pattern? If you don't know what this is, I have a nice video out there and you can see it on my playlist. This is possible, a shoulder, head, shoulder. And if this is a shoulder, head, shoulder pattern, we may have a baseline like this here. This is our momently big support trend line to the upside. Very nice, okay. But if this is a shoulder, head, shoulder, we have maybe from the highest point to the lowest point here a target, and if this will play out, we may see a dump to the downside. You know, a shoulder, head, shoulder is mostly a bearish thing, and if this will play out, we have a target to the downside like this here. Let me show you. What a bad target. No one wants to see that target. Also, guys, okay, that's a very bad thing. Look at this. This would be a very bad target, a bad thing. But we should keep this in our mind, guys. It's always possible to see play out a pattern like this. This is on the daily chart, and okay, guys, just we spoke about this. Let's forget it. Okay, the next thing is what's going on with the EMA ribbon band on the daily chart. And that's a very nice thing. We are over this ribbon band. The ribbon band is our support on the daily chart, and if you're zooming in here of our candles, you can see very nice. That's very nice momently. Everything is okay, everything is fine. If we are watching at this line here, that's the MA21, also very important. Also, everything is fine. Yesterday we saw a spike down to the MA21. It was maybe a good rebuy point here for XLM, and now it's going to the upside. Another thing we have to watch is the MACD, and the MACD is bullish. You can see it, the blue line is over the brown line. If you're zooming in, you can see it here a little bit more. We're building green candles. That's everything is nice here, everything is okay. I have a little problem with some things here, and this is the big wick to the upside. You know, guys, if we are building big wicks, you can see it here, big wick to the upside, bam, it's going down, big wick to the upside, bam, it's going down. Here also big wick to the upside, bam, it's going down. And yes, I have a problem with these big wicks, and if I see this big wick to the upside going down, now another big wick to the upside, I know this candle has time to close 16 hours, so it's not unimportant. If it's going down from here, we may have a big problem, and we may see a downgoing XLM. So we need to watch this daily candle here, and we have here a super support on 0.36 cent. That's the extreme support that should hold here. We also have for sure a very nice support here on this MA21. It's the 40 cent. That's also a very nice support here on the daily chart. And you can see one thing, guys, from the downside is coming the EMA 200. So if this shoulder, head, shoulder may play out, guys, it's also possible to touch this line that's momently on 27 cent. So we are prepared, guys. We are prepared if we are going down more and more. If this shoulder, head, shoulder may play out, we are prepared for 27 cent here from the downside. And we need our targets to the downside. What's going on from the daily chart? If we move on more and more, if we can pump here with XLM, and we can draw here a nice channel from this side to this side, that's an extreme resistance. You can see this extreme resistance. Why it is extreme resistance, guys? I can show you. Okay, this is extreme resistance. Why? You saw here we spiked this resistance once. Here you can see how often we are spiking this resistance, never broke through. Here we broke through. we spiked it here again, we spiked it here again, and now, you know guys, that's an extreme resistance. If we can fight over this resistance, this would be a very bullish thing, guys, for XLM. So the biggest thing to the upside we have to watch is this point here. It's on 50 cents. Let's talk about 50 cents. We need to come over, okay, no, 48 cents. We need to come over 48 cents. That's a very, very, very big thing for XLM, guys. Also, we can make something, we have momently a downgoing channel like this here. We can draw this also here. We are still on the daily chart, guys. And momently, we are still in this downgoing channel, and that's the big thing also we need to break out here. So that's for sure the biggest thing we have to watch, this 48 cents here for XLM, guys. Okay, if we can fight over this, we have some next targets, the last all-time high and so on, but it's a long way to this. This is the important thing now. Adam, if you are trading XLM, you have to watch this here. So let's go deeper. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What's going on here? 4-hour chart for XLM, a very important chart, time frame 4 hour. And here you can see it. We spiked again on the 4 hour up to this downtrend channel, and it's going down again. And if it's going down now again more and more, that's a very bearish thing because of this long wick to the upside. You know that, guys. The support is now here on EMA 200. We are momently, and that are the good news, in a long position over the ribbon band, over this MA21. Everything is fine for the moment. For the 4 hour chart here, everything is fine. Look on this MACD on the downside. The blue line is now maybe crossing this brown line, and that would be a very bullish sign here. We may try to break out of this 47 or 48 cents here. That would be a very, very nice thing for XLM here. Let's check the 1 hour chart. What's going on here on the 1 hour chart? And here also you can see it. The bad thing is we are building long wicks to the upside. I hate this long wicks to the upside because that's meaning we may go down. We may go down now again a little bit, and maybe we are on the 1 hour chart retesting this MA200, MA21 or this MA200. The MA21 is momently here on 43 cents and the MA200 is here on 41 cents. So we may go down, retest it, and then we see maybe a spike to the upside. On the 1 hour chart, we saw here a long position, and we have now a green ribbon band. We have a bullish MACD. So on the 1 hour chart, we have a really bullish XLM. We may see a breakout to the upside. Would be very nice. I am also long on XLM. I have some XLM out there, and I have a long position for a long-term trade here. So one thing we have to check, guys, is this point. What's going on with XLM versus Bitcoin? XLM BTC. Let's check this here. And let's zoom out a little bit. And here is for me more important the 4 hour chart. And this is this one here. Yes, it's looking very nice. It's looking very, very good, guys. That's not so a bad thing here for the moment. You can see we had a big downtrend here. We broke the downtrend. We are going to the side. We are going sideways here. We have a really nice support here to the downside. But the important thing now is you can see we broke this sideways action, and the sideways action we can make a parallel channel. You can see it. This was our sideways action like this here, or like this here, something like this. A downgoing channel, a sideways channel, but a little bit downgoing channel. And yes, we broke it here to the upside against Bitcoin, and now we broke it again. And this is a big, big candle to the upside. And now XLM versus Bitcoin has a nice support with the EMA 200, MA21 ribbon band. MACD is bullish. Bam. Let's move XLM. So versus Bitcoin, everything looks fine. But you know, guys, our problems, XLM versus USD, and we have to watch these problems now in the next hours. We need to break out this downtrend. We need to break 48 cents, and then bam, let's go XLM to the moon. Adam, that's especially video for you. I hope you can use it for your trade. I hope you can make positive trades, and it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions. Guys, thank you very much for watching. The important thing, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I wish you just the best, and I hope we see us tomorrow. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.